Hi friends, this is Murali here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about some interesting word which is very commonly used. For example, if you want to say I love my father or my father is something, he works somewhere. So you need to know the word father, right? So let us go ahead now and see how to pronounce that, how to talk and how to write it. So before going further, I request you to subscribe my channel so that you will be notified whenever there is a new video about learning Chinese. Let's go ahead. After this video, you will be learning about the pinyin of word Baba and the stroke order, how to write it. I will show myself how to write those strokes, and also identifying the Chinese character and learning the supporting vocabulary for this particular word, and also how to type in mobile phone, which I will be giving that link below the description in the video. So before that, a very important thing is you must know the basics of learning Chinese, right? So what is like learning pinyin and also learning tones? There is a video specially for this which I have made previously, and you can just go through that video. You can just click on this link, and I will give this link in the description also, so that you can watch that video first, so that you know the basics first, and then you will learn about Baba here. First of all, let us learn about the stroke order, how to write the word Baba. If you see here the strokes, there are 8 strokes, and this you can see there are 8 strokes, and the 4th tone, you can see this is a 4th tone. As I explained you before, there are 4 different kinds of tones, right? One is flat tone, rising tone, falling and rising tone, and falling tone. So right now it is a falling tone, but here it is neutral tone, you can see that. So first one is ba, other one is ba, Baba. So coming to the strokes now, here you can see this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 strokes are there here, and how to write these strokes you will be learning soon in the next slide. Let's go ahead on this. This is basically the 11th word of 150 words of HSK level 1. Okay, the word is Baba, and if you see here, I have given you an exercise to just explain how to write. So writing is like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I hope it is clear how to write the word. And if you go to the next step, you have to watch this strokes many times so that you understand how the stroke order is. And then now you can learn about the supporting vocabulary using for Baba. For example, like if I want to say I love my dad, okay, I is nothing but wo, love is I. You already learned in one of my videos before. And my is woda, and dad is nothing but Baba. Now you are learning this. So basically I'm just using the same words what you already learned before. And coming to one more thing is like what your dad do the job, right? For example, my father do he's a ex-service, he's a army person, so you can say he's Bing Run is soldier. And again everything else is same: wo, my, woda means why, my, and Baba means father, she means is. I hope you are clear. So you can see there are different words you are learning here. One is the word I, which is love, and Baba is father, and my means woda, and you can use the same words again. So basically we are learning the building blocks of some particular sentence, and we are trying to use in a different positions to get some meaning out of it, right? So let's go to the next step. And how to use this video is a very quick slide for your reference. Just practice using pinyin. As I just explained before, here you have to write down wo, like you should write down, so that you know the tone, you feel the tone, and you explain, you understand. So for example, Baba is ba, ba. So then you remember those things, and then going to the next slide again. Practice writing pinyin, pronounce loudly as I was writing right now, and also download the exercise in the next slide so that you practice it better, more and more every day, and practice typing pinyin in the mobile phone, which the video will be shown below in the description afterwards. And coming to here, this is the practice page where I can explain you how to write here. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the same way you should write all the things, so you can get practice, then you will remember it. The main reason for writing this practicing this is not to exactly remember how to write, but at least you will remember the words. I remember the strokes, and you remember the character whenever you type it in mobile phone in future to identify that one. So that will help in that way. And coming to final slides is a very common slide. Please please give your comments below with your feedbacks, and also with your own writing this particular word, so that people get inspired from your works. Also, if you like my work, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe this channel. Also, you can follow me on my social media channels. Also, you can email me. Okay, I hope this video is useful. Thank you very much for watching the video, and looking forward to the next video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.